kura kurandaka rando sadi kabiera rando sadi erai kumande nako kureine nai saguname agrano sadi aminai agrano sadi aniai kupenai Taleya, tale mieneka, tale mieneka, mika sodairai, beretai, kuranikai naturane, tarondari kapraniai, karondari kavain, talibei, evra little stalai, hiande, ranto, kuzane, miendeka, miye, Yendeka alepra hastali hasto deveia. Yendeka kuradai lekina ba antostei. Meiga sojane kibra nasate kira nosate engrakito miende. Miendeka. Miendeka. Agrusa nebinai. Eriendeka kurande. Kurande nana kuzane kino kuzane Cristo sabado irapade miendeka 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 mienene mukaniba Erosadika, kurande, nana kuzande, kina kuzabe, niso shada, Cristo sabado miende, kisa turanunai, turanunai, ekrana sodiai, peropateai, let there be increase in your life. Increase in everything you do. Kurambinai, kuraniaitai, erunanitai, kirane, sadorane, rande, miye, evranonai. Miye, evranonai. Miyeneke miyenai. Eoyeneka. Evralalis tolomonde etriaris tetiramonde traros tarai. Let there be an arising of you from within. Let there be an arising of you from within. I comalebes edosia, taluses akdevian. Maduses Aknam, Ginan Aron Azetia, Dalusian Akdeveia. Let the rising of the power within be found. Let it manifest. And I know that no weapon formed against you shall ever prevail. As you flow in the rivers of the prophetic, as you manifest that which God has given you, as you begin to touch lives and change people's lives by the power of the Holy Spirit. Yours is your testimony. Yours is the good news. Yours are greater days. By the decrees of the Spirit, by the writings of Metatron Adraku Gemeraku, Hilarios elabion aste, migai dalikesteveone, Metatronius taliao, Gyron stio eutenveio, Letitius Raigiao. Arise in your power. Arise, I call you. Arise, sleeping giant, I call you. Arise, this is your hour, this is your moment to arise and shine, for your light is now.